With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Here the question is given that if a complex number 3 plus 2 iota sin x by 1 minus 2 iota sin x is purely imaginary, then the value of x is equals to here. Okay, here the value of z, that is equals to 3 plus 2 iota sin x by 1 minus 2 iota sin x. This value is purely imaginary, so the real part becomes 0 here. Okay, real part of z, that is equals to 0 here, so that the value of z, that is equals to 3 plus 2 iota sin x by here 1 minus 2 iota sin x. Here rationalize this, so that here we get that 1 plus 2 iota sin x by here 1 plus 2 iota sin x here. Okay, so that the next step here we can see that is equals to 3 plus 2 iota sin x into here 1 plus 2 iota sin x here. Here we can see that it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b here. Okay, so that is equals to a square minus b square here, so that here we get that 1 square minus of 2 iota sin x whole square. So that the next step here we can see that is equals to here 3 ones are 3 plus 3 twos are 6 iota sin x plus here iota sin x into 1, that is equals to 2 iota sin x. Here 2 twos are 4 here plus 4 I square sin square x here. Okay, by here we can see that 1 square equals to 1 here. Here 2 square, that is equals to 4. I square value, that is equals to minus 1. Minus of into minus get plus here. Plus 4 sin square x here. Okay, so that the next step here we can see that is equals to here 3 plus here 8 iota sin x minus of here we can see the I square value, that is equals to minus 1 here, so that 4 sin square x by 1 plus 4 sin square x. Here we can see that the real part of z, that is equals to 0 here, so that separate the real part and the imaginary part, so that here we get that, so the real part here we can see that 3 minus 4 sin square x by here 1 plus 4 sin square x, that is equals to 0 here. Here we can see the next step, that is equals to 3 minus of 4 sin square x, that is equals to 0 here. The next step here we can see that 3, that is equals to 4 sin square x here. Okay, and sin square x, that is equal here sin x, that is equals to plus or minus root 3 by 2 here. Okay, the value of x, that is equals to pi by 3. Here we can see that the sin x graph, that is equals to this is the sin x graph, that is equals to 2 pi n here. Here we can see that the graph of n sin square x, that is equals to, here we can see that it is repeating n times here. Okay, that is equals to n pi. Here we can see that the general form of x, that is equals to n pi plus or minus pi by 3 here. Okay, here let's check the option. Here we can see that option 2 is the right.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.